Alright, let's now look at the central limit theorem. It's very short, we'll not prove the theorem. But basically what it says is, if you have random variables, a set of independent and identically distributed random variables, with an expected value or a mean mu and a variance of sigma squared, then the sum of all these random variables will be normal. And that's not, great by itself, but this is independently of the distribution of the random variables. So they don't have to be normal or Gaussian distributed. This can be any distribution. When you add them all up, you're likely to find a normal distribution. And that is the reason why in nature, in daily life, this bell curve is a curve that we see a lot. Because there's many little stochastic processes that have an influence on a certain outcome.